grind and pave project is where we are removing a certain amount of asphalt and replacing with 2 inches of new asphalt. By doing the grind and pave, you'll put another 15 to 20 years on the existing road. My name is Troy Hoagland. I've worked for the City of Portland 24 years. I'm a street maintenance crew leader.
My name is Daryl Warren, and I've been working for the city for 20 and a half years. I'm a Utility 1/traffic specialist. I set up the major work zones that we do most of our major grinding and paving work in.
It's challenging to operate an asphalt paver. My name is Donald Scott, and I've worked for the City of Portland for going on 19 years. I run a little mill, which is more of a artist type of work where you got to go in and finesse and clean up after everybody.
We come in and we're out of here before you really notice we've interfered with your life. It is a small inconvenience for you, but you will have a smooth road behind us.
We give it the best we can give it.